Welcome back to the Financial Works YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of trading, focusing on how to manage opportunities and risks. Don't worry if you're new to this, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Opportunities. Opportunities and risks are like the wind and waves in our trading journey. They can push us forward or challenge us. Let's dive deep into how to navigate them effectively. Imagine you're in a bustling marketplace. The stalls are filled with various goods, and you're on the lookout for a hidden gem, an item that you can buy at a low price and sell at a higher one to make a profit. This is the essence of trading opportunities. In the world of trading, opportunities often arise when there's a change in supply and demand. To put it simply, when something disrupts the normal flow of supply, it can dramatically affect prices, creating a temporary chance for traders. One common example is a crisis in supply. Let's say a major supplier of a particular item faces unexpected challenges, like a factory shutdown or a natural disaster. This disruption can lead to a scarcity of the item, causing its price to surge. If you anticipate such events or spot them early, you can seize this trading opportunity. However, remember that you're not alone in this marketplace. Other traders are like your competitors. They might be regular suppliers, people with surplus stock, or even traders from different regions. So, you must act wisely and swiftly when an opportunity presents itself. Risk management. Now, let's talk about the flip side, risk management. Trading is not a risk-free venture, and understanding and mitigating these risks are crucial to your success. Imagine you're on a grand treasure hunt. As you venture deeper into uncharted territory, you encounter obstacles like hidden traps and dangerous creatures. Risk management in trading is akin to preparing for these challenges. One significant risk in trading is the potential for losses. It's like sailing your trading ship through unpredictable waters. Sometimes, you'll navigate smoothly, but there are times when you might hit rough patches, leading to losses. The key to managing risk is to play at stakes and risk levels you can afford. It's like carrying a backpack with limited supplies on your treasure hunt. You don't want to wager everything you have, or you'll be left with nothing. Consider diversification as your shield. Diversification means spreading your investments across different assets or markets. Just like having a diverse set of tools on your treasure hunt, it minimizes the impact of a single setback. If one investment suffers, others may perform well, balancing your overall portfolio. Another essential tool in risk management is the use of stop-loss orders. These are like safety ropes on your adventure. You set a predefined price level at which you'll automatically sell your asset to limit potential losses. It's a way of saying, I'm not willing to lose more than this. Additionally, always keep an eye on your leverage. Leverage is like a double-edged sword. While it can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses. So, use it cautiously and only when you fully understand its implications. Now, let's discuss a critical aspect of risk management: scams. In any adventure, there are those who seek to deceive and exploit. In the trading world, there are individuals or entities offering seemingly fantastic deals or tempting offers that are too good to be true. To protect yourself, always read the terms and conditions of a contract carefully. It's like examining the fine print of a treasure map. Count those zeros, and be aware of every possible detail before signing any agreements. Remember, not everyone in the marketplace has noble intentions. Be vigilant and skeptical of offers that promise incredible returns with little risk. If something sounds too good to be true, it often is. In conclusion, managing opportunities and risks is a delicate balancing act in the world of trading. Opportunities are the treasures waiting to be discovered, while risks are the challenges you must overcome. By being vigilant, informed, and prepared, you can navigate this exciting terrain with confidence. In our next episode, we'll delve into the importance of understanding market dynamics and how to analyze them effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Happy trading!